This Century 21 Sue Gardner Realty property video is presented by Sue Gardner. Beautiful two-story cabin sits on 4.5 wooded acres with its own private pond with pier. Home has a large wraparound porch. There is a detached garage with workshop and a detached triple carport behind the house. There is also an in-ground storm shelter to the rear of the home. Great property if you love nature and country. For more information, review the details below or contact Sue Gardner at 662-842-7878.